The verses he referred, they were revealed in Battle of Badr.
Excuse me, sir. Listen to me again.
No, 1 minute.
Read from here.
Oh,
Thank
for
you.
God's sake, stop interrupting me.
How many of you want
Are
to
you
read?
scared? Okay.
Quran,
Now,
read.
verse number
Quran,
1.
read.
Okay.
Quran, read.
So his first argument was that who owned or Kuffar owned Kaaba, which was a lie.
Masjid
And I
al-Haram.
said,
Masjid al-Haram.
Kaaba is in Masjid al-Haram.
In your delusion.
Don't be so dumb.
In your delusion.
Okay.
He read it, but he did not comprehend it. So let me read it again and explain what it says.
Who are you to explain it?
Someone with a brain, which is not from your ummah. Are you Muslim, sir? Please come over here. Please come here.
Habibi, come. Habibi, come.
Don't be shy. Please come.
Off camera.
My dear friend, Islam is a religion of delusion. Religion of delusion. There are three specific delusional ideas it had right at the start. For instance, the Muslims in the first century of Islam were led to believe Masjid al-Haram, which wasn't a Muslim religious site, belonged to the Muslims. Say again?
They were pagans.
Pagans.
So if they were pagans,
Pagans, yeah, before Islam.
sure. Please listen.
Idols, worshipping idols.
But please listen. Please listen.
Got your voice.
My dear friend, please listen. Can pagans own land?
Again, the question, please.
Can pagans own land?
Own.
Yes, of course.
So pagans owned Masjid al-Haram.
Yes.
That is none of Muslims' business. It is not their land.
Before Islam,
listen.
before.
Before
Please
Islam, he
listen.
says.
But please listen. Pagans owned Masjid al-Haram. Why did the Muslims suddenly think, I can't let them own that, I will need to take it over? Why?
Can you speak slowly? My English not
A
good.
little bit slowly.
So pagans owned Masjid al-Haram. Muhammad and his army, the Ummah, decided that pagans can't own it. Muhammad decided
Say yes. Say yes.
pagans can't own. I will go and fight and take the land. Is that good?
Is that good?
Yeah, no, of course it's not good.
Not good.
No. But
Very good.
Muhammad,
Wait.
Muhammad do not fight them. Muhammad do not fight them.
Okay, come here, I'll tell you what he did. What did he do? Please
They
come.
they are surrendered peacefully.
They surrendered.
They surrendered peacefully.
All
They
right.
not fight.
Where are
They
you
don't
from,
fight.
sir?
Saudi from
Saudi.
From Saudi Arabia, the gentleman thinks that the pagan owners of Masjid al-Haram surrendered peacefully. That's what the gentleman thinks.
Yeah.
Why? Because the delusion continued. I'll tell you what happened, sir. I'll show you what happened from your Quran. Surah 9, Ayah 5 tells us what happened. Surah 9, Ayah 5. Surah Tawbah, Ayat 5. And when the inviolable months have passed, then kill the polytheists wherever you find them and capture them and besiege them and sit and wait for them at every place of ambush. But if they should repent, establish prayer and give zakah, let them go on their way. Is that a peaceful surrender?
Let me check just in Arabic.
Please come here.
He wants to check the
Please come
Arabic.
here.
Hey, come on.
Please come here.
I don't want to secret.
Show, please.
Go-
Please check the Arabic.
Go check the Arabic.
Arabic, please.
I'm gonna check
Find
just
out the
Nine
Arabic
five.
can help you.
9-5.
Wait a minute. Let me open the Quran.
So while they
9-5.
Surah
Surah Tawbah,
9-5.
Ayah 5
9-5. Al-Tawbah.
tells you that the crazy, delusional Muslims of that time, the land grabbing criminal mafia, the Mickey Mouse Islamic land grabbing criminal mafia decided that they would kill the owners of Masjid al-Haram,
Politics.
the polytheists, the crazy, kuffar, kafir, wherever they find them, and capture them, and besiege them, and sit and wait for them. That's what they did. That doesn't look like a peaceful surrender to me at all, sir. That looks like one of the worst terrorist attacks. So no wonder Muslims today across the world are extremely successful in Islamic terrorism. Why are Muslims the leading figures in terrorism across the world?
Why?
Because Muhammad has set the pattern once and for all.
The blueprint.
The blueprint. Muhammad has set the pattern. Who was the first worldwide terrorist?
Jesus and Moses were terrorists.
A Muslim says that is me.
2-year-olds.
A Muslim says that is me because
And Jews.
he knows.
2-year-olds.
Because the Muslim knows if he confesses to the truth, he will be killed by his terrorist ummah. He knows it. And therefore, please come here, sir. Don't search too much. You won't find anything else.
Like,
Please, please.
Ikra Arabia.
I tried to figure out.
It's Ikra.
Did you find anything useful, sir?
You found it?
I found.
Okay. It's true what he says?
Let me read it. Just
Okay. You found it. You can read it now.
Please. Please read the Arab. All right, my dear friends. Who is the first criminal terrorist network in the entire world? Well, the mafia gang leader called Muhammad and his entire Islamic ummah. The mafia gang. They were the leading terrorists. They were thieves and robbers. Would you know, my dear friends, would you know that the first name that Muslims were given by non-Muslim neighbors is the name Saracens, robbers. That's the first name they got from non-Muslim neighbors. The first name that the disciples of Jesus Christ got by the non-disciples was the name Christian. Beautiful name. These people follow Jesus Christ. Beautiful. Beautiful name. A testimony for the Christians. That's the first name they got. But what was the first name that the Muslim Ummah got at the hands of the non-Muslim neighbors? Saracens, robbers. Why? Because the Quran testifies that Muhammad and his army were a mafia gang which went around taking other people's lands, properties, lives, women, girl children, sex slaves for themselves. No wonder they were given that name. No wonder, my friends, that today we have white girl children, sex slavery at the hands of the Islamic Mickey Mouse groups. Why? Because that's what their prophet did. Like the messenger, the people. What they have learned, reading the Quran, they practice. Why do Muslim men who had other sex slaves hiding all over the place not report on their fellow Muslim men who were also enjoying, ravishing the lives of precious little white girl children, 8 years of age, 9 years of age? Can you imagine? Can you imagine, my dear friends? Can you imagine your 9-year-old daughter, your 8-year-old daughter, drugged, taken from one town to another, merely for nasty, evil Islamic Ummah to rape over and over and over again. Can you imagine this? This is what the mafia gang has been doing. Yes, sir, please come in.
No, no, I'd rather to be here. I said not good.
You read, you
yeah. No, no. I'd rather to be here. No, no, no.
You are a Muslim from Saudi Arabia.
No, 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 I don't
who has
want.
come to salvage the image of Islam. If you could please enlighten.
No, no, no.
Please.
I cannot come here. I want to speak from my
Sure.
place. Actually, no, no, no.
To know the challenge I pose to the Muslim gentleman over there.
I want to understand what you just say. Just.
He wants to understand.
So,
Gentleman wants to understand what I've said so far.
9-5.
I do want to understand
Sure.
what you say to me.
Sure.
So you mentioned Surah Tawbah.
Surah Tawbah.
Yes. Ayah 9, right?
5.
Ayah 5.
5.
I heard 9 or
9-5.
Surah 9.
9-5.
Surah 9.
Ayah 5.
Yes.
Which is Surah Tawbah, Ayah 5. Surah Tawbah, Ayah 5 will clear the delusion
Where is your cow?
of some Muslims.
Where is your cow?
The quote-unquote peaceful Muslims, unlike him, he is trying to become part of the Islamic State. He was trying for a while, but has been rejected so far. He is desperately trying now. Surah Tawbah, Ayah 5 tells you how exactly the criminal Mickey Mouse Islamic land-grabbing mafia gang works. What do? Surah Tawbah, Surah 9, Ayah 5. They go kill the polytheists wherever you find them and capture them and besiege them and sit and wait for them. Can you imagine the level of nastiness? And this you see in a religious book. I am a Christian. If you take and read the Bible, the New Testament, for instance, Jesus says, "Blessed are the peacemakers. Blessed are the meek, the humble, the ones." My dear friends, peacemakers will be called sons of God. My precious Lord Jesus Christ says, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, and pray for those who persecute you. My Lord Jesus Christ is marvelous. And you compare my precious Lord Jesus Christ against your nasty, pedophile, mafia gang leader, the original mafia gang terrorist, the first one across the world. If you compare, it doesn't matter if you are an elected member of the parliament today, my dear friends. It does not matter if you are the king of our nation, King Charles. If you don't know that these two people are different and they are polar opposites, it is time to leave your drugs behind. Yes, sir, please.
So I read the whole surah.
Yeah.
I read the whole surah. The verse you are talking about, it's true, right?
True, the verse is true,
Yeah, but this is, there is a whole context of it.
Yeah, the whole context.
Yeah.
The whole context.
The whole
What's the
context.
context?
I read the whole context.
Sure.
So it shows that if there is agreement between infidel and Muslims, there is an agreement and they broke it, then fight it. This is
Alright,
the whole
okay.
context.
That's the whole
So
context.
our friend
They
from
broke the
Saudi
agreement.
Arabia now clarifies. Marvelously clarifies. Let us see if his clarification is useful. So you have the infidels, the kafir, the kuffars own their own property. They have their own Masjid al-Haram. Now the nasty Mickey Mouse Islamic gang goes there and tells them, hey look, if you agree with us and give us the property, we will let you in peace. If you don't agree, we will kill you.
That's the concept.
Who exactly are these then? Mafia gang. This is what mafia gangs do. Give me your house
It's got-
or else I will kill you.
It's got an answer to
Oh,
it.
you've got an answer, please.
No, my friend. There is agreement between Muslims.
Yeah.
Muhammad. Yeah.
Sure. There is agreement.
Way before.
What?
There was agreement.
There is agreement.
Okay. Let me start from scratch. 1 second.
They broke the agreement.
The Masjid Al-Haram, who owned the Masjid Al-Haram, sir?
The tribe of Quraysh, which is
No. Wow. Forget about what tribe. I'm asking you what religion. How would you describe them in the Quran? Who owned
Mushrikeen.
Masjid Al-Haram?
Mushrikeen, you know Mushrikeen?
Kafir.
Same thing. Kafir, yeah.
Disbelievers. Non-Muslims.
But actually,
No.
They are believers.
So the Kafir owned the Masjid Al-Haram. The Muslim mafia gang leader, Muhammad, comes there. What does he say? Come to an agreement with you or else I will kill you. Is this a mafia gang or not?
This mafia or
This is what you're talking is not true. I'm not trying to debate with you. No.
I-
I'm just, there is agreement happen. There is a conflict between them. You know, Ghazwa Uhud, Ghazwa Badr. This is a fight between them.
they broke the agreement and they fight afterwards.
Yeah, they originally they fight.
Please listen. This is unbelievable. Getting a Muslim to begin to make sense, it's one of the toughest jobs ever. I'm going to start the story again. Who owned Masjid Al-Haram? Please.
Mushrikeen Quraysh.
The
Kuffar.
Mushrikeen.
So,
Quraysh.
no, forget about Quraysh.
They are same owner of the Masjid Al-Haram. Quraysh, disbeliever.
Do you know how many times the word Quraysh shows up in the Quran?
There is a surah called Quraysh Quran. So it's
Answer
mentioned
my
many
question,
times.
sir.
Many times. I don't know how much. It's
sir.
many
Yes,
times.
it does.
Answer my question.
It's many
Do
times.
you
but
know how many times the word Quraysh shows up in the Quran?
yeah, I think many times, but I don't know how.
In my awareness, once.
What?
Once. And do you know, in the one time the word Quraysh shows up, it has nothing to do with ownership of Masjid Al-Haram. You know nearly nothing about Quraysh if you read the Quran. Nothing. You would believe fantasy ideas about Quraysh.
Who owned it before Quraysh? Who owned it before Quraysh?
Who owned Masjid Al-Haram? All that we know from the Quran is that the Kafirs owned it. Whether they were Quraysh or some other Nescafe or something else, irrelevant. Kafirs.
The first one who lives in Mecca.
Please
Who
listen.
is that?
Please listen, sir.
Who was the first to live in Mecca?
Do we agree that Masjid Al-Haram was owned by Kafirs?
No,
Before Muhammad,
that's
yeah.
wrong.
That's
Before
wrong.
Muhammad, yeah.
Masjid Al-Haram was built by Abraham, Prophet Abraham.
See,
Abraham.
I
Right?
told you.
Okay.
Islam
That's okay.
is a religion. Please come here.
I get
Yeah.
your voice.
Lovely.
Explain,
We have
because
an
maybe he doesn't
expert
know.
here
He doesn't know,
right now
maybe.
to help us. And so now that we have an, please come here, sir. Let the lovely cameras capture your face.
Okay.
So,
Hi everyone.
yeah, please say hello, because only now you can do that. In a couple of minutes, you'll
Okay.
be ashamed and you'll be on your way. So please stay focused right now. And let me ask this, sir.
Yeah.
So you are saying that Masjid Al-Haram was not owned by the Kafirs.
No.
Who was it owned by?
Abraham, who built it in the first place.
Sure. So
And-
one second.
No. You need to let me respond to it.
No, they-
According to Bible as well as Quran, it was Abraham who built Masjid Al-Haram. He actually left Hagar, his wife, and Ishmael, his son, in the area, and with his son Ishmael, he built Masjid al-Haram.
Did
So
you
what you're
listen?
saying
Enough.
is
Excuse me,
false.
sir, enough, sir. So, did you hear what the gentleman said? And you have been living in the UK for a while, sir.
Yeah,
Were you born here, or have you been living here
that's
for a while?
irrelevant.
For a long time. You've
Long
been here.
time, yeah.
So, a gentleman, and you're a Muslim,
Yes,
and you've been a Muslim a long time.
yes.
So, a Muslim gentleman, Muslim who has been a Muslim for a very long time, who has been living in the UK for a very long time, believes that Masjid al-Haram, which is recorded in the Quran, was built by Abraham, and Hagar was there, and his son was there, and so on. Let me ask you a simple question.
Prove him is wrong.
Stay quiet,
No,
sir.
no, no. Prove
No,
him is
if
wrong,
you have
sir.
COVID, please keep distance.
Prove him is
Not to
wrong.
you, sir.
You are
Question.
coward. Prove him is wrong.
Excuse me, sir. Please quiet.
Okay, tell him prove me I'm wrong. Tell him
You know
prove
what
me
is
I'm
happening right now?
So yeah, respond
thinks-
to
wrong. Prove him
it.
is wrong.
He thinks you are not intelligent.
Prove him is wrong.
If you are intelligent, just tell him to
You are
shut
a
up.
coward. Yeah, he's more
No,
clever
to
than
you,
you.
sir.
Ashid
What?
to worship
Please,
cows.
my dear friends,
He do worship
everyone
a white
listen.
man. He do
What?
worship three in
Stay
one.
quiet. Thank you.
That will his book
What?
tell you.
To you, sir, please.
Yeah.
What evidence have you got pre-Quran to claim Masjid al-Haram was built by Abraham? What evidence have you got pre-Quran?
I asked him show me a historical evidence that his biblical quotes come
Show
out. He couldn't.
the historical evidence or proof from Quran or outside Quran. Masjid al-Haram was owned by Kafir,
You see
which
what
is
he
your
did?
first prime. And I will show you.
No, one second.
Yeah.
One second. Did you hear what happened? I asked him to give one evidence. He only repeated his claim. Maybe he doesn't know what the word evidence means.
No.
I'm going to ask
You
again, sir.
you
Please,
are
one
wrong.
second,
One second. Let me clarify.
No,
Don't
no,
put
one
don't
second,
don't
one second,
no
one
don't
second,
misquote me.
Please, one second. Give me. I'll give you time to speak.
Yeah.
But when you speak, give evidence
Yeah.
pre-Quran for the claim that Abraham built Masjid al-Haram. Evidence, please. Don't repeat the claim. Thank you. Pre-Quran.
First of all, you said who built or who owned Masjid al-Haram. I told you from Quran. And I'm going to find the verse from you in the Bible, which also states, Book of Genesis 16, Hagar, Sarah, the Egyptian servant gives birth to Ishmael. This is, I'm quoting Bible,
Please.
outside Quran, yes? So Genesis chapter 21, verse number 9 to 14. After Isaac, Sarah's son was born. Sarah sees Ishmael mocking and tells Abraham to send Hagar and Ishmael away. So,
How many
if
of
you
you
see,
understood my question?
No. Don't.
Who?
don't-
Excuse me, sir. The gentleman here was going to give evidence for claiming Masjid al-Haram was built by Abraham, an evidence that predates the delusional Islam. So an evidence that predates the Quran. And he was going to read from the Bible. And what he did, he read a couple of search queries in ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Nothing about Masjid al-Haram.
Are you asking for proof and I'm giving you evidence
Listen,
with
please.
the verses?
Listen.
One
Please
second.
listen. One
Look,
second.
look,
Please
yeah.
listen. Please listen, sir. In the evidence that you give,
Yeah.
you know what words need to be connected? Abraham, please
Yeah,
listen. Excuse
yeah.
me, sir, please listen. Abraham, Masjid al-Haram. Two names have to be connected. You're going to read from the Bible somewhere. Please connect these two names.
Why?
please.
Masjid al-Haram is just a name. Masjid means a place where you worship, right? So you can call it house of God. In olden time, it was called synagogue. It doesn't matter. Quran clearly states that Abraham, he built or rebuilt Kaaba, which is the black cube, which is
What's
Masjid
your name,
al-Haram.
sir? What's
My
your
name is
name?
Farhan.
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 Yes.
You come across, one second.
Yes.
You come across
Yeah.
reasonable. But I want you now to make sense. So please stay focused.
Yeah. That's fine.
Abraham, in his life,
Yeah.
might have built many things.
Yeah.
I'm not asking did he build anything. That's not the question. As a matter of fact,
Yeah.
In reality, if you go through the
Yeah.
details of the Bible, you'd find out he actually did not build anything. You'd find out, but that is irrelevant. That we'll keep that aside. But the question is not whether Abraham built some random structure or not.
Okay.
That is not the question. The question that I'm asking you is, what is the evidence that you have pre-Quran to claim Abraham built a specific structure called Masjid al-Haram? That's my problem. That is what I am calling delusional.
No.
And so please stay
Okay.
focused on that.
Yeah.
Masjid al-Haram. Give me evidence for Abraham building Masjid al-Haram. I'm going to give you one last chance.
That's fine.
If you don't focus on connecting these two names, Abraham and Masjid al-Haram, I'll move on
Yeah.
to making subsequent conclusional
okay.
statements.
So first of all, that was not your initial question. You
What
said
was my initial question?
Kuffar owned Masjid al-Haram.
owned is fine.
You have no evidence for it. Prove me otherwise that you are wrong. So now you
Wow, wow,
change.
wow, wow,
One
wow.
minute, 1 minute. You ask what Muslims believe. So I'm only telling you
Did I ask
what Muslims believe about it.
Wow, wow, wow.
One minute.
Look at him gaslight
Let
already.
me let
Look
me
at him
talk.
gaslight.
Let me finish.
You're not listening.
Hey,
You're
look,
not
are you a
listening.
Muslim?
Huh?
Are you a Muslim, sir?
Yeah.
Excuse me,
No,
sir.
listen him.
Please listen. If Muhammad, wait a second.
Listen.
If Muhammad,
He's talking.
please
Listen to him first.
please
Then I will
listen.
talk to you.
If
Yeah.
Muhammad were to show up today,
First
he will
listen to
chop
him.
your head off.
First
You're
listen
wearing
to him.
North Face,
You're
having.
brother, you're always crying. You're always
Okay.
Thank you.
One
very
minute.
much.
One minute.
Don't come near
Now,
me if you think I'm crying.
The,
Thank
the
you very
point is very simple,
What was the question I
and
asked? The question I asked was
No argument.
not
Just
belief,
shooting. Just shooting.
but evidence.
no.
What is the evidence for
Did anyone hear him
Abraham
talking that
building
Muhammad
Masjid al-Haram?
done an agreement or threatened kuffar? Did anyone hear that he said Muhammad threatened kuffar to give him Masjid al-Haram or he will kill them? Anyone heard him saying it? Yes?
They're not agreeing.
Right? So you no, they are agreeing because that's when I said that was wrong. Now,
So
what
what
actually happened? What actually happened? Muhammad was kicked out of Mecca, but eventually, because of his preaching, the Mecca people also. 1 minute.
No, enough, sir.
He also became Muslim, and when Mecca became Muslim, automatically they removed idols from there.
Farhan, thank you
So
very
there
much.
was no agreement. Now show me your evidence. Last minute, I will go.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Farhan, lovely to see you.
Show me your evidence that Kuffar owned Masjid al-Haram. Show me your evidence.
What is my evidence for Kuffar owning Masjid al-Haram?
And Muhammad threatened them.
Excuse me, sir, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Show me. They owned Masjid al-Haram
You're
and
repeating
Muhammad
right now.
threatened them.
You're repeating right
And
now.
Muhammad threatened them. Show me.
What is my evidence for
Yeah.
the Kuffar owning Masjid al-Haram?
And Muhammad threatened
You're
them.
repeating third time. You're repeating now.
Quote the statement fully.
I'm going to.
Yeah, okay, go.
Thank you. If you don't interrupt me, please, that'll be lovely.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't interrupt you. I gave you all the time for your delusional ideas.
Okay.
You failed.
Go on.
Don't be desperate right
Be
now.
my
Thank you,
guest.
sir.
Be my guest.
What the gentleman asks me, what is the evidence for the fact of the kuffars owning Masjid al-Haram pre-Islam? Let's read. And Muhammad threatening them
Yeah.
to take over. I'll give you evidence.
Okay.
Surah At-Tawbah. Surah 9. Surah At-Tawbah. Ayah 5. And when the inviolable months are passed, then kill the polytheists, the mushrikun.
Yeah.
The polytheists, mushrikun by the
Yeah.
way, are kuffars also.
Mm-hmm.
Kill the mushrikun, the kuffars, wherever you find them. When did Muhammad threaten? There you go. Wherever you find them, kill them and capture them and besiege them and sit and wait for them.
You know, you.
Excuse me, I haven't finished. Please.
Finish.
Don't panic, Farhan. Please listen. Wait for them at every place of ambush. Why? I'll go to ayat 7.
Why you
How
didn't start
can?
from the first.
Because you have COVID,
You are
I'm trying to
liar.
keep it quick.
Yeah, I'm protecting
Thank you.
yourself from your germ.
Excuse me, sir.
Your
Please.
germ, they are so hard, they are
Panicking.
killer.
Look at the
Yeah.
Muslim COVID
Read
mafia
from
gang
first
panicking
verse.
there.
Why you liar? Read from
Where
first
is
one.
my evidence
This is
for
the
the
context.
polytheists? Only
Read
my...
first.
Wow.
Read number one.
Excuse me, sir.
Why you liar? Read the one.
Surah
Read number
At-Tawbah,
one.
Ayat 7.
Read number one.
Ayat 7.
Read number one. You liar.
How can
Read number one.
they
Give me in English.
be
In English. I will
the
read it. I will read
mushrikun
it. Source-
for the mushrikun
English.
a treaty?
Read number
How
one.
can be? Excuse me,
You
sir. Please,
liar.
listen. Farhan, please listen.
Go.
How
for
can
Tawbah.
there
First.
be
Yeah.
for
Stop
the
lying, you
kuffar-
coward.
the kuffar a treaty in the sight of Allah and
Read it,
with
read it.
His messenger, except for those with whom
Is this
you
one?
made
Yeah.
a treaty at
Yeah.
Masjid al-Haram.
Why you don't want to read
No,
first?
you.
Why?
1400 years ago.
Why you don't want to read the first?
Why?
Read the first verse.
Okay, I will just speak to camera.
No.
He is misquoting and lying about the verses. The chapter he's quoting is chapter 9 of Quran. Go read from verse number
I'll
1.
teach you something.
talking
Farhan.
about
Simply,
contract.
he is misquoting.
One second.
These verses, 1 minute.
One second.
No, you
I'll
misquoting.
teach you something.
1
I know
minute.
you're a Muslim.
No.
I'll teach you something.
Wait.
Once.
You misquoting.
1 second.
You are lying.
I know you are a
These
Muslim,
verses-
but let me teach you something. If you go in there and speak, your voice won't be picked up because some of the microphones are here.
You have the
A
microphone.
simple detail for a
Read
Muslim
it,
to
read
learn.
it, read
So
it.
please stay focused and engage in the conversation.
No, let me read the
So
context.
what have I demonstrated so far?
You misquote
I
the
have
Quran.
demonstrated
Read the verse 1. If you are
That the
sincere,
Kafirs
if you are sincere, read the verse 1.
Masjid al-Haram
Read the verse 1. You
and
liar.
Muhammad wanted
Talking about
to
a contract. Read the verse 1.
grab
He is misquoting.
the mafia gang
Why
Muhammad
you hide in the verse 1?
wanted
Why you
to
hide in
grab.
the verse 1? Read it.
He is misquoting.
Wanted
Why
to
you
grab.
misquote
Go
the Quran?
any
You liar.
any sincere listeners and watchers,
Read the context.
read chapter 9, which is quoting and misquoting from verse number 1. Go and read. The very first verse says, freedom from obligation from Allah and His Messenger towards those
All right, wait.
idolaters
Excuse me.
whom you made a treaty.
Ask him to stay quiet.
Where is your cow?
I'll let you speak. Ask him to stay quiet, please.
Where is your cow?
Okay, Muslim
Fish market.
Ummah. Muslim Ummah, stay quiet. Thank you very much. The mafia, jihadi, Muslim Ummah, if you can stay quiet, that'll be lovely. Thank you.
Christian,
Now to you,
KKK,
sir.
true side. That's what you're talking about.
So, our lovely friend Farhan is now saying, if you begin in ayat 1, suddenly, the Quran would shine like a light, he says. And so, my dear friends, Farhan thinks if you begin with ayat 1, it's going to be glorious. Let's do that, please.
Okay, now, and first of all, we should all agree that
Farhan.
you should not take anything out of context. Do you agree?
Look, I am
Yes.
a Christian.
Do you
You don't
take-
even have to agree, I'm not a Muslim.
I-
I already know this.
Liar.
Context.
I'm
Now,
not a Muslim.
now,
Please.
the verse that you quoted,
Farhan, once.
You are liar.
If you,
I listened to you. Let me respond.
once.
Yeah.
Brother, why are you
Crazy
telling
man.
him?
Once, if you once, you can read from wherever you want to read.
Yeah.
But now,
Yeah.
please focus on the reading and make your point.
The point is very simple. Number one, whenever you want to read something, you should
begin
take
reading,
out
please.
of context.
Please begin reading. Thank you.
You should take things in context.
Sure. Please begin reading.
So first of all, let me give you the context. These verses were revealed in a battlefield which was not even in Makkah where Masjid al-Haram is.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
it's totally irrelevant.
Listen to me.
These verses,
Wow.
these verses were revealed in Medina. In Medina,
Are you listening right now?
no, I'm responding.
Please, no.
Yes.
Please stay focused. Excuse me, sir. Once. Do you know what the word context means?
Don't
Absolutely,
dictate
yeah.
you.
What is it?
So
No, what is it?
let me just say,
What is it? What
the
is it?
context was these verses were revealed in the battlefield which happened
And was
in
the
Medina.
you liar.
Please listen.
When in Medina,
Please.
which is far away
Excuse me,
from
sir.
Makkah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Wasn't in Makkah, you
Please.
liar.
Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
Excuse me, sir.
Read the context, my brother.
Go back to the
Please
Injil.
listen.
Yeah.
Context
Yeah.
is obtained by reading either what goes before what I was reading earlier,
Yeah.
either here or you can go to other literature if you like, but reading from literature which goes before this. Where do you get this idea from? Did you read any verse before this?
Yeah. In chapter 8, which is
Sure.
the preceding chapter, it talks about the battle of Badr. And these verses you are reading, they are from the battlefield, which was the battle of Badr, which happened in Medina,
Please.
no Makkah. Okay.
Please listen.
Now,
Wow.
let
No,
me.
don't do now.
Okay.
Please listen. Please listen, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please listen.
A treaty between kuffar,
Excuse me, sir. Please listen.
between Quraysh
Excuse me, sir. Please
and
listen.
Muslims.
So I'm reading the verses.
Excuse me, sir.
Read the
Please.
context.
Wow. Excuse
Read
me,
it,
sir.
brother, read it.
Please listen.
Yeah.
I am not looking for your fantasy stories.
It's not fantasy
Please
story.
listen.
It's
Please
It's
listen.
the context.
Common
Please,
sense.
context
Please
is
Common
higher.
sense.
Please listen.
Yeah.
Please listen.
Akhi.
Do you understand?
Context or no?
Excuse me, sir.
Why you letting dictating you? How
Farhan,
many times is stopping
would
you
you like
with
to have a
context?
conversation with me?
Let
would
him
you like
say.
to be-
Let him say.
would you
and
like-
I
How
will
many
say
times
that.
did he stop
Yeah.
you to read the
Would you-
context?
You choose one of two things.
Uh-huh.
One, if you want to be in the same COVID ward as him, please.
Yeah, protecting
So
yourself.
one
Or-
minute. Yeah. Okay.
Or if you want to be in a conversation with me, ignore him.
So
Stay focused, please.
let me-
Now, one
I
second.
will expose
I'm
you
going to
with
ask
Allah.
again.
With the will of Allah
Farhan, please,
subhanahu
one
wa ta'ala.
second. One second. You are open. I am willing to hear from you
Yeah.
details of the context.
Okay, then let him speak.
But what I request from you
Yeah.
is not to give me some fantasy Mickey Mouse stories, imaginary
Yeah, like
pulled out
Bi-
of thin air.
like the Bible.
Please listen. Please listen.
Like raping
Pulled
a
out
girl
of thin
and
air,
giving her 50 shekels,
But
yeah? Like
text
the-
that you
no,
actually
he
can
sleep
read.
with his daughter.
So
Yeah, like that.
any point that you want to make about the context,
Yeah.
read
Yeah.
from here, please. Thank
Okay.
you.
Now. So the verses he referred, they were revealed in Battle of Badr.
Excuse me, sir. Listen to me again.
No, 1 minute.
Read
Yeah.
from here.
Oh,
Thank
for
you.
God's sake, stop interrupting me.
No.
Or I will give you the mic. If you want to
Please,
talk,
thank you.
yes.
Let me.
Now,
one.
For the readers, I tell you,
Farhan.
any sincere
Please.
listeners, no, 1 second.
My
Let me
deal,
finish.
My
Let
deal-
me finish.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
My deal
Yeah.
with you is simple.
Yeah.
I was reading some text from here.
Out of context.
You suggested
Yeah.
that I was reading out
Yeah.
of context,
Yeah.
and you wanted to read in context. I'm quite happy for you to do this. Please come in, please. Let the camera cover. Please come in. I'm quite happy for you
Yes.
to give me more context.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy to listen to that.
Yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
only context, not fantasy story. And
Yeah.
therefore,
Yeah.
don't face the camera
Mm-hmm.
and begin saying some Mickey Mouse fantasy stories. Rather,
He has to dictate when he was doing it.
rather,
Don't touch me with your-
focus on
You
your.
are
Please
repeating
listen.
the same
Please
thing
listen.
10 times.
Because I'm struggling to get you to make sense.
No.
So please stay focused.
You are scared of the point.
Focus
The point is very simple.
on the text
Yes.
here.
So
and
I'm
read.
saying you,
Thank you.
one last time that these verses, and you can go home,
Look at the
do
story.
your research,
Did you hear
and
the
check.
story?
Why you scared?
Is he reading anything from the
Oh.
story? Is he reading the preceding
I'm
verses?
I'm
No.
telling them the references.
So he clearly is
I'm-
advancing his Mickey Mouse stories. Not interested, sir. One last time.
1 minute.
If you don't read from there, I am going to move
Okay.
on.
You can answer it why
Verse,
you want.
verse number. So everyone, I want any sincere listeners here or in the camera, I want you to go and check. Don't believe what he's saying or I'm saying. Go
Yeah,
verify
read,
yourself.
read. If you can read right now, that'll be lovely.
Chapter 8 and chapter
Please
9.
read, please read.
Chapter
Read,
8 and 9.
read.
One
How
minute.
many of you want
Are
to
you
read?
scared? Are you scared?
Read.
Yes.
Please.
Okay.
Farhan,
Now,
read.
verse number
Farhan,
1.
read.
Okay.
Farhan, read. Farhan, read.
Now.
Farhan, read. Farhan, read. Farhan,
Can you
read.
clap?
No, Mickey Mouse stories. No stories. No stories. Farhan, read.
So-
Thank you.
Now,
Read.
verse, chapter 9, verse number 1 reads,
Yes, please.
freedom from obligation is proclaimed from Allah and His Messenger
Please,
towards
can you please come here?
towards those of the idolaters whom you made a treaty.
Yes.
So verse number
It's all the
4
contract.
is talking about the contract.
Yes.
Yes.
You're
Now
liar.
what happened, and you can read afterwards.
Shameless.
So
Wow.
there is
You are the
no.
only shameless.
No. So
Shameful.
that one verse, one verse clearly proves, one verse clearly proves he is wrong and he was lying. The first verse talks about the treaty that it had with the polytheists
All right.
and kuffar.
Are you happy with the context,
And
sir?
then
Are you happy with the
the
context?
second
sir?
one, travel freely in the land 4 months and know that you cannot escape Allah, and Allah will confound the disbelievers.
All right. Are you happy?
So now,
Are you happy with the context?
just give me one more minute.
no, let's clarify
Give me
the context.
one more minute to conclude the context.
Yes, please.
So what happened? These verses were revealed. They broke the treaty, kuffar. They confined against the enemies of Muhammad, and they waged a war on Muhammad. And these verses were revealed. Then when war is thrown upon you, fight back
Liar.
and don't run away.
Shameful.
All right.
And if they offer you peace, then accept the deal of peace and
So,
forgive them.
I'm
So
here,
that
I'm
was
here.
the full context.
Farhan.
Now you can go and read the
please,
chapter
please,
9.
Ask him
Stay
question.
focused. One second.
It was about
One
the
second.
treaty or not?
Farhan. Stay focused.
So-
about the
One
treaty or
second.
not?
One second.
Last
It's
question.
One
not-
second.
Yeah.
One
Let him
second.
go.
Can you please come here first? The camera is
Now,
too close. Please,
do,
no,
first,
one.
do you agree about the treaty?
One second. Please
you-
come here. Please,
was
one
a
second. One
treaty,
second. Please
yes or
come
no?
here. I heard you.
sorry.
Answer
Let
the
me
question.
respond.
Yeah, okay.
Please come here.
Yeah.
Let the camera cover you also.
Did they break
So,
treaty,
wow,
yes or no?
stay quiet, COVID man. Please.
Yeah, you're a
Who
COVID.
let the
That's
COVID
why.
man come here?
Stop touching
It's
me
a free
now.
place because you're lying,
Look,
so people
yes.
want to respond.
The
Simple.
entire idea of wearing a COVID mask is to maintain distance. He's constantly coming near me.
myself from your
And
germ.
okay, all right,
He believes
Farhan.
in the system.
Farhan.
Don't touch. Answer
Farhan.
his question.
Wow, stay quiet.
Answer his question.
Is he panicking?
Answer his question.
Can I?
Answer the
Can I?
question,
Hey,
You will
Okay.
answer his question?
hey, please quiet.
Answer the
Well,
question.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry,
All right.
what's your name?
Yes or no?
Arun.
Arun, please.
Answer the question. I have to leave.
I'm going to
Somebody
respond
waiting
right
for me.
now.
Yeah.
So Farhan wants me to read Ayat
Why
1
you let me give
to
his story? He was
understand the
stopping you.
context.
No, was
a
the treaty.
Yes or no?
Please
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah.
I have heard
Why?
you.
He didn't let you to speak.
I have heard you. I am now responding. Please listen. Farhan wanted me to read Ayat 1 to
I need to go.
understand the
You want to take
please,
the mic? Yeah.
please stay focused. Farhan wanted me to read Ayat 1 to understand the context.
Yeah.
He read it, but he did not comprehend it. So let me read it again
Yeah.
and explain what it says. Let's read.
Who are you to explain it? Who are you?
Someone with a brain.
No.
Someone with a brain which is not from your ummah. So clearly let's focus right now.
Yeah. Brain, you will not worship
Stay
the cow.
focused.
Go ahead.
Surah At-Tawbah,
Yeah.
Ayat 1 for context. This association from Allah and His Messenger to those, stay quiet sir, thank you, stay quiet, you are in the queue, stay quiet, thank you very much. And His Messenger to those with whom you had made a treaty
Yes, you
Yes.
coward.
among
Yes, you liar.
Yeah.
Among, wow, quiet, excuse me sir, quiet.
Why did he lie? Why did he lie?
To those
A
with
liar.
whom
Shame.
you have
Shame
made
on
a,
you.
hey, quiet,
Shame on you, coward.
shame, your name is
Liar.
Shame Dawa.
A liar.
Focus on
A
your
liar.
name, you will stay quiet,
A
thank
liar.
you. With
A liar.
whom
Shame
you
on
have
you.
made a treaty among the polytheists. Does this ayat give any updated information
Yes, it
about
is.
who
It is.
owns
Because you are
Masjid
ignorant, you don't know
al-Haram?
which treaty.
According to
Okay,
ayat 1,
Oh.
Which treaty?
excuse me
Whoa,
sir,
whoa, whoa. So,
stay
Yeah.
quiet,
Which treaty?
stay
You are
quiet.
ignorant, you don't know.
According to ayat
No, you are
1,
liar.
according to ayat 1,
Open
who
which treaty?
owns Masjid
which
al-Haram?
treaty?
Why are you even going into Masjid al-Haram? You quoted a verse, first
Excuse
of
me,
all.
sir.
1 minute, 1
Excuse me,
minute.
sir.
You
Please.
quoted a
Wow,
verse
excuse me,
out
sir.
of context
Hey, wow, wow.
where, fight back and kill
Go ahead.
the polytheist, right? So you misquoted a verse,
liar,
and
he's a
then
liar.
I told you that it was about the context of a treaty, and the verse was no in Mecca, it was in Medina.
I recommend something to all my Muslim friends.
All of the listeners, I would
please
say,
listen.
1 minute.
Fine.
All of the listeners, I would say,
To
go
yourself.
and read the chapter 9 in context, and you will understand.
Sure.
With sincerely,
listen to this.
Thank
do
you.
your own
Please.
research.
Thank you. Please.
Don't
Please.
listen to
Now
him
you
or
could
listen to me.
Excuse
Go
me,
do
sir.
your own research.
Now, if you could listen. Thank you very much. Now,
Yeah.
Proven is liar.
I'll recommend something. Please. I'll recommend something.
I need to do it.
Shameless.
But 1 minute, and then you can go. I'll recommend something to Farhan and all our Muslim friends here. Maybe don't come to Speaker's Corner when the sun is shining bright. Because, please listen.
Why?
Please listen. Excuse me, Farhan. Farhan, please listen.
Why?
Because
Yeah.
the more you stay in the sun, you even forget the question that was asked of you. Where did we start? I started by asking you evidence for who owned Masjid al-Haram. So the entire discussion is about ownership of Masjid al-Haram. I suggested to you that the Kafirs owned it. The Kuffars owned it. You came here and you said, no. It was Abraham who not alone owned it, but even built it. So I said, okay, in that case, we can go back in time, go all the way to Abraham and find out if there was any evidence for that. So that's what I asked you for evidence. If you had any evidence to claim Abraham built Masjid al-Haram. Now you struggled despite. Excuse me. Please listen.
Don't lie. Don't misquote.
Please
Don't
listen.
misquote.
Please listen.
Yeah.
You tried to use Chat GPT, yet
Yeah.
failed. You could not connect only two names. Only two names. Not anymore. Only two. Abraham, Masjid al-Haram. Only two names. It was the simplest of tasks that you could have if you are not delusional. But you struggled and gave up despite Chat GPT trying its best to help you. After that, you challenged me as to why I thought that Masjid al-Haram was owned by the Kafirs. And that is where I read two specific ayats for you. Surah At-Tawbah, ayat 5 and ayat 7. Two ayats I read to tell you that the owners of Masjid al-Haram were the Kafirs. And whilst they were holding ownership of their own building, the mafia gang leader, namely Muhammad, wanted to do what only mafia gangs could do, which is at gunpoint, metaphorically speaking, take Masjid al-Haram from them, from the owners.
Your
Please
lecture,
listen. No,
your
I
lecture
haven't
is finished.
Now,
15
when
minutes
I
question.
said that,
15 minutes question.
you said, hey, context is important. That's what
Yeah.
you said. And so, I was hoping somehow you were going to read something that preceded Surah At-Tawbah, ayats 5 and 7, to tell me that Masjid al-Haram was not owned by the Kafirs, but was owned by someone else, such as the mafia gang leader, Muhammad. I thought that's what you were going to do. Whereas you read ayat 1, which does not change ownership of Masjid al-Haram, suddenly, because the conversation was already 15 minutes long and the sun is shining on your face,
Wake
you
me
have
up when you
forgotten
finish.
the challenge. Even to an extent, he said, oh, who was talking about ownership of Masjid al-Haram?
1 second.
Farhan,
Yeah.
please drink. Go get a new bottle of water. Drink a lot of water.
Everyone-
Carry surplus water at Speaker's Corner. And if you run out of
You
it,
shouting.
please stay out of the sun.
Okay.
Because Islam is delusional.
Now,
Islam
you heard him?
makes you a mafia gang
Oh,
and a
hey.
speaker's corner.
Bro, can I
Islam
talk?
makes you even
Can I
forget
talk? Don't
the
be scared.
one question asked of you.
Can you?
I'll come
can
back
I-
to you.
Can I talk?
In what I've said so far, do you disagree with? Please.
Everything.
Farhan,
Everything.
please.
Now,
Camera here.
let me
Please,
rephrase.
Here, here.
Hi, camera. Let me
Farhan,
rephrase.
Farhan, here.
Okay, yeah.
Here. Please. Give a bit of distance so your lovely face is captured. Thank you.
Can everyone hear me?
Stay quiet, sir. He's
Can
struggling.
everyone hear me?
Get him water, please. Please
No.
get him water.
All right. Yo.
If you have 2
listen,
pounds,
I'm
who
fine.
paid you to come here today?
I'm.
Excuse me, sir. Who paid you to come here today? Get the money for 2 bottles of water. Bring the water for you. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, just listen to me.
But please,
I'm talking to all the sincere
Please
audience.
come here. You're a lovely man. Are you from
Okay.
Bangladesh?
It doesn't matter. From Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
Yeah. Arun, now listen to me.
Farhan
Oh.
is a Pakistani.
He asked,
a fellow
where does-
from once. A fellow from my own subcontinent. I'd like to invite Farhan after he clarifies, whatever he clarifies, after he finishes, when he fails, I'd like to invite him to leave this delusion called Islam and come to the precious
Are you gonna keep
Lord
on making
Jesus
speeches or
Christ.
can I
Please,
talk?
Go ahead.
Can I talk?
One last try,
Uninterrupted.
please.
Uninterrupted.
One last try,
Okay.
please.
So his first argument was that who owned or Kuffar owned Kaaba, which was a lie.
Masjid
And I
al-Haram.
said
Masjid al-Haram.
Kaaba is in Masjid al-Haram.
In your delusion.
Don't be so dumb.
In your delusion.
Okay, find out where is
Use
Kaaba.
the word Masjid al-Haram, please.
Is okay.
Use the
Quran-
name Masjid al-Haram,
Whoa,
please.
stop
Thank
interrupting me. Quran chapter 2, everyone go and read yourself. Chapter 2, 127, I'm reading it for you. Very simple. And when Abraham was raising the foundation of house, which is Masjid al-Haram, with Ishmael, our Lord, and Abraham said, our Lord, accept from us indeed you are hearing and all knowing. So that verse is a clear proof which then connects with Genesis chapter 21, verse number 9 to 14, that Abraham was the one who built, he was a prophet of God, not a kuffar, who built and owned and raised the foundations
Did you
of
hear
Kaaba,
him, my
which
dear
is
friends?
Masjid al-Haram.
Did
One
you
minute.
hear him?
One
Wow,
minute.
wow, wow,
One
wow,
minute.
wow,
One
wow,
minute.
wow,
One
wow,
minute.
wow.
One minute.
Wow, wow, wow.
I'm not finished. I'm not finished. Then all of a sudden, to prove that it was owned by kuffar, he jumped and quoted a verse out of context, which Islamophobes all the time they do it, which is, oh, go kill all the kuffar. It was a verse of chapter 9 of Quran, and all of you go and read it, verse number 5, which says, and I told him, no, you're misquoting this verse. This verse was quoted at the time of a battle, which wasn't even in Mecca. It happened in Medina, which was about 13 years after. And in that battle, God said, those who broke the treaty with you, fight them and kill them where you find. But if they offer you peace and if they surrender, then
Thank you.
do the peace again.
Thank you.
So this was the whole thing. Now, one last thing. Now, I want all of you to go and check the chapter 2, verse number 127 of Quran, which clearly states that Abraham was the one who built Kaaba, not kuffar. Secondly, I want you to go and read about chapter 9, which he misquoted. So, thank you very much, and may God guide all of you and all of us.
My dear friend, no, please
I have to go.
focus.
I have to
Farhan, you need to go, but stay 1 minute.
Yeah.
Don't thank anyone after you have confused them with the worst.
Mike.
Please stay focused. Please Farhan, please stay focused. Don't thank anyone after you have confused them with the worst conclusion.
All
Please.
of you go and check
Wait,
yourself.
wait.
Chapter
Farhan.
2, verse number
Excuse me,
127 says Abraham built Kaaba, not kuffar. Yes? That was question number 1. Very clearly. Go, all of you check. Don't believe what I'm saying.
Sure.
Find out yourself. Chapter 2, verse
Please.
number 127.
Now please listen. You are repeating.
Okay.
You're now
Second,
repeating.
Chapter 9 of
You're
Quran.
now
No,
repeating.
I'm saying, because you're misquoting me.
You are repeating.
You're misquoting me. Go,
Listen.
go, go.
If you are not, if you are
not in Bombay.
please listen.
We
So,
are not in Bombay.
my dear friends, Farhan Pharaoh
No.
had one task.
We are in England.
Please
We are in
listen.
my country.
Wow. Hey, wait. Stay quiet. Thank you. Pharaoh had one task in his hand, and that task was to demonstrate that the ownership of Masjid al-Haram, when the Muslims took over, thinking that they had to take it over, it was delusional, was my claim. Farad had one task in hand, which was to demonstrate that that was not delusional. What did he do? Instead of proving that Masjid al-Haram was built by Abraham, by showing non-Islamic, pre-Quranic evidence, he goes to the same delusional material.
Because you trained the Bible.
Please listen. If you could have asked me, one second.
I
Go,
gave
Farah,
go
please
check
listen.
the Bible.
Please
Bible
listen.
chapter
I haven't finished.
21.
I haven't finished.
Bible chapter 21.
Please listen, please. You could have made this much simpler. If you came here and say, hey, please take my delusion seriously and we'll be happy ever after, I would have said, okay, if that is what you want to do. Please, Farhan, 1 second.
Stop
Please stay
misquoting,
focused.
stop lying,
Please
and
stay
stop telling me.
focused.
I need to go.
I'll ask one last question before you leave. Did you or did you not show any pre-Quranic evidence, pre-Islamic delusional evidence for the Masjid al-Haram being owned and built by Muslims? Did you or did you not show any evidence pre-Quran?
No.
I gave you the context with Bible reference, and I give you again.
Where in the Bible did you read the word Masjid al-Haram?
Go check. So
How many of
Abraham
you
left
think
his
Masjid
right
al-Haram is a
and
word or a name
sincere
that
people-
appears in the Bible?
No.
My dear friends, you nodded your head. Please come
chapter
here.
21?
Farhan,
go
thank you very
21
much.
and
Please.
read it.
Thank you very much. Lovely.
And
Lovely to see you.
read
Please
it yourself.
keep
Thank you,
go
thank
this
you.
way. This way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This way.
You
Thank
will
you.
find the way.
Farhan, this way. Thank you very much. Lovely to speak to you. Blessing, but this way, please.
Don't spread lie.
But don't
Be sincere.
go. No, please. One second. Please don't face the sun too much. Go get a water bottle. Excuse me, sir. Please, my dear friend. Please don't run away. Please come here. Excuse me, sir. You nodded quite briskly. Please come here.